Hey guys, this is Sean from SeanHither.com, and today we are having Microsoft Lumia 640 smartphone with us, and we are going to perform an unboxing of the device, and we will have a look on its design, its basic hardware specs, features and functionality. So let's just start it. Here is the retail box of Microsoft Lumia 640, as you can see, and here is our device. So first of all, let me tell you that Lumia 640 comes in multiple versions like 4G LTE version, 3G version, the versions with the dual SIM slots. So the one we got here is the 4G LTE version, as you can see here on the retail box itself, on this image of Lumia 640, that it is having 4G LTE capability. So this is the retail box, and on the side it's just showing the name of the device. Here is a dot which is having the black color inside, so the device we got inside this retail box will be in black color. And there is just some information, and here is once again, so here you can see the model number of the Lumia 640. It's LTE version, the color is black, as I have already said. It's a made in Vietnam device. Here is the IMI number. This is a single SIM device, as you can see here in the information, and that's all. Let's have a look on the back side. Here it is showing a bit information about the Lumia 640. So it is having a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. It's a Windows phone, obviously. Then the content inside this retail box are the phone, the battery, the charger, and the user manuals. And Microsoft Lumia 640 is available in 4 colors, as you can see in this picture, and also here. It's cyan, orange, white, and black. The one we got inside is black, and that's all. So let's open the box now. Here is our Microsoft Lumia 640. This is the device. Let's see what else we got inside this retail box. Here is the battery. The quick user guide. It's in English, even though the device is made in Vietnam. And here we got the charger. It's the standard Microsoft charger. It is having the Microsoft branding all over it. So this is the charger. It's not the USB cable, as you can see here. It's connected to the charger itself, this cable. So let's switch on our device now. So this is the back side of the phone. As you can see, it is having a single SIM slot here. Here is the micro SD card slot. This is for the battery, obviously. Here is the camera, the flash, and here is the speaker. So let's put our battery inside now. So this is our Microsoft Lumia 640 smartphone booting up for the first time here in our hand. Here is the Windows logo. And here we go. It's just welcoming us. The quick settings. I'm just skipping everything to go to the starter screen. Okay, so now it's just setting up the device. It will take a bit time, so let's have a look on the device itself in between. So here is our Lumia 640. On the front side you can see here is the 1 megapixel front facing camera. There are some sensors, and as you can see, the navigation keys, they are on screen just like the Lumia 730 or 735, as you can see here. So there should be function that they will slide up and down just like the Lumia 730 or 735. On the right side we're having the volume rockers and the power key. On the left side there is nothing at all. At the top we're having a 3.5 mm audio jack, and at the bottom we got USB port, as you can see. And on the back side is 8 megapixel primary camera. Here is the flash. This is just an ordinary Lumia lens is used in this phone, because there is no mentioning of Zeiss branding. And here is the Microsoft logo, and here is a tiny round speaker, as you can see here. So let me tell you about the device while it's setting up and booting up. So Lumia 640 comes with a 1.2 gigahertz Snapdragon 400 series quad-core processor. It is having 1 GB of RAM. The internal memory is 8 GB. We will check out of 8 GB how much memory is available for the user. The screen is 5 inches in size, and it is a 720p HD screen. It is having the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the front, and the technology used in the display is clear black display, which is used in most of the Microsoft Lumia smartphones. If you know about the Lumia phones, you will find in nearly any of the Lumia smartphone the clear black display. And as I've already said, the front facing camera is 1 megapixel and the primary camera is of 8 megapixel. Then the good thing is that front megapixel camera is capable of taking 720p HD videos, so it's a very good thing. And the battery inside is of 2500 mAh battery, so it's going to be a good one considering the low resolution and of the screen, and less resource hungry the processor used in this device. So we will have this battery performance test later in few of our review and testing, so we will come to know about the performance later. So, and the GPU used is Adreno 305, which is also used in most of the Windows Phone Lumia smartphones. And the screen is, here is the IPS LCD, just like the Lumia 640 XL. It is not having the AMOLED screen like Lumia 930 or Lumia 730. So I think this is all about this phone. Let's just wait and we will see. We will have a look on the device itself once the starter screen will appear on the screen. So just hold on for a bit. Okay, so the device is ready now. As you can see here, all the apps have finished installing, and we can just move to the next stage. So here is our Lumia 640 smartphone, as you can see here. So this is the welcome message from Windows Phone. So as you can see, this is the starter screen. Here is all the usual icons and setups and start tiles. As you can see here, the people, Facebook, Cortana, News Store, Lumia Camera, OneDrive, Skype. Here is the Game Loft Hub, the Mixed Radio. Here's the folder, there's the photos. So let's go to the settings and check few of the information about phone. So here we go, and you can see that it is having the Windows Phone 8.1, the latest update 2. So Lumia 640 comes with the latest version of Windows Phone 8.1, which is also available in Lumia 640 XL. So this is a good thing about Lumia 640 because it is having the latest feature, like you can search the settings by typing the keywords, and it is having quick search and all the latest features which should come with the Windows Phone 8.1 version. So this is the list of application. Here is alarm, battery saver, calculator, calendar, Cortana. Just like the Lumia 640 XL, the previously available Microsoft camera is not here in this phone as well. Here's data sense. It comes pre-installed with Fitbit and Game Loft Hub, so you will get few Game Loft games pre-installed on this device. You will have to go to the Game Loft Hub and check. And here is the Internet Explorer, sorry, Lumia camera, and Lumia Moments is already pre-installed in this. There is a maps, then messaging, mixed radio, MSN Money, Xbox Music application. There is the MSN News, and one of the most popular and highlighted feature of any Lumia phone, that's Microsoft Office pre-installed. There is OneDrive, OneNote, People, phone application, photos, podcast, settings, Skype, sport, storage, sensor store, transfer my data. If you're having any other phone and you want to transfer your contacts and also you can use this application. Then there's travel, video, wallet, and weather. So this is our Lumia 640 smartphone, and as you can see here, just like our Lumia 730, this device is also having the navigation key on the screen, and you can just slide it up to use them, and you can even slide them down like this, so they will disappear. You can change in the setting whether you want them permanently or not. So this is all about Lumia 640, and we will be doing the detailed review, and we will perform a few of our usual tests like the benchmarking test, the gaming performance test, the camera test, and the durability test like bend test and a scratch test later. So thanks for watching the video, friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks, and hands-on reviews like this. Have a nice day.